Hello everyone, myself Pavitra of class 9B. My class teacher name is Miss Smita ma'am and I am from Kendriya Vidyalaya Dharwad. 15th August 1947. This is a red letter day in the history of India. Today I am standing before you to give speech on we as students play an important role in nation building. Students are the future of any country. Name and fame of a country rest on the educated youths. In other words, the students are the real treasure of any country. They are more important for a country like India. If the energy of the student is directed to constructive purpose, the whole country will waste the all-round development. The great man has rightly said, "Give me the children and I will change the nation." A nation can progress if its youth is sincere and educated. So, most of it depends upon the students. India is fortunate that more than 60% of its total population of the country consists youth people and most of them are students. These young people can do a lot in the development work of the country. They can do a lot for their invaluable contribution to this country. There are large number of illiterate people in the country. Students can teach these illiterate people of their neighborhood, nearby localities and in the villages. They can start many awareness programs in the country. They can tell the people about the importance of cleanliness in life. They can become the role models for the others. They can take our rallies to create awareness related with some current issues or evils such as drug addiction, save daughter, educate doctor, crime against women, corruption, etc. Our Prime Minister Shri Narendra Modi is talking about programs such as Skilled India, Digital India, Make in India, etc. Students can do a lot in realizing this dream and making India technically sound. The students have natural instincts about the latest technology and its use. These technical savvy students can help the grown up people in using the latest technology such as internet, mobiles, etc. The expectations from the students are very high. In order to meet such expectations, the students will have to be morally, mentally, and healthily sound. Weak students can't do anything for themselves. What will they do for the country? They need to be stronger. Stronger students, stronger citizens. The students must follow suit of great people of all countries and all ages. They must get inspiration from them. The people like Mahatma Gandhi, Subhash Chandra Bose, Mother Teresa must be their role models. The student must also know that honesty is the best policy and hard work is only key to success. They must adopt such ideals in their lives. They must always bear it in their mind that if they are good, the country shall itself become good. Their country has given them everything. In return, they will have to pay back something. For some dollars, they shouldn't leave their country. They should stay here, serve it, and do their duties towards it. In short, students are the real future and treasure of any country. Thank you.